Hello mateys, how's it going? This is Chris, or Captain OldBlue. Yar! Do yourself a yar. Anyway, what we're going to talk to you about today is Unreal Engine. And Unreal Engine is basically what's going to bring everything together. Imagine you've got loads and loads of Lego bricks. Unreal Engine is the big tray you're going to pour it into, and then you're going to assemble all your Lego bricks, and it's got all your built-in lights and all your built-in templates and things like that. If there's a game type that you like, you can build it with Unreal Engine. I mentioned in previous videos things like Fortnite, but it can also handle things like platform games, it can handle adventures, it can handle anything. You know, card trading games, all that nonsense. So, if there's something you're interested in, it can probably do it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to my client just here, and I'm going to head to the website unrealengine.com, which I've spelt wrongly, so it'll probably take me to a phishing website of some kind. There we are, unrealengine.com, and as you can see, it's got all these bitchin' things happening on it. Really cool. Now, what I want to do is I want to make a new account. So I'm going to accept their privacy policy. I'm going to sign in, and don't have an Epic Games account. Well, if you're playing Fortnite, you do have an Epic Games account, funnily enough. But let's assume you don't, and go through the sign-up procedure. So UK, first name, last name, the display name you want to be known as, Big Bob Lovely, for example, or whatever. Your email address, and then your password, okay? And you can obviously click these two things. Now, we've done that before. We know exactly what's going to happen. It's going to send me an email, and I'll confirm it. I'm not going to take up the space with that because I already have the Epic Games Launcher installed. Now, the size of the Epic Games Launcher isn't particularly large, okay? And to start it, all I've done is I just typed on my start key and typed the word Epic, and it brings up the Epic Games Launcher. So if I just wait for a couple of moments, you should see it. So there it is. This is the Epic Games Launcher. So like I say, if you played Fortnite or any other Epic game, you'll be used to this. But here, a bit further down, is the tab that says Unreal Engine. And that's really what we're interested in. So I'm going to click this. And then over here at the library, what you're going to do is you're going to go, because you won't have any of this if you've just installed it, down here or up here, you'll just have this little plus sign and engine versions. You'll click engine version plus, and then you'll pick the latest version that you want. Don't pick a preview unless I specifically tell you to pick a preview. You really don't want to pick one at the moment, not if you're learning. Now, the most recent version for me is 4.2, 4.3 as of the time of recording. This is going to segue up to 4.25 soon, I imagine, though. But if you want to, you can also install much older versions, going all the way back to 4.0.2. So there's plenty there. And then, to get it started, you're just going to click Launch. Now, a couple of things here about this. Okay, I'm going to go into my settings, and you can hide the game library. Okay, and this way, if you want to be able to focus just on game development, all the game stuff's gone now. Okay, and this means that you can focus and you won't get all the little pop-ups saying, hey, you might be interested in such and such a video game. And it gives you a more professional kind of way of doing stuff. Anyway, that is pretty much all that's needed. I hope you find that useful. Unreal Engine is large. It will take up probably between about 8 and 12 gigabytes on your hard disk drive before you've even started making a game. And when you make games, it makes a lot of files, like a lot. Install it on your SSD, okay? Always install your development stuff on your SSD if you can. Right, well, I'm going to get back to it. You take care, okay? I hope you're having a great day, and I shall see you in the next learning video. So until then, bye-bye for now.